I just opened a international TikTok account. Yes, you got me right. I opened an international TikTok account, and at the moment I'm posting in that international TikTok account. Hello, my name is Milento. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel at home. In this YouTube channel, I'll be talking about how to venture into social media space. That's all. I'm going to talk to you how to venture into TikTok, how to venture into this YouTube channel, and how you'll be venturing into Facebook as a social media. I have a Facebook channel with 23k followers. These are organic followers, and I'm monetized in that space. I have an international TikTok account. Yeah, you know this TikTok account for international. Of course, I can't show you my real name there because most of you will go and search me, then you'll spam my content. It's not allowed, especially if you are in this African country. When you spam it, definitely it will be blocked. So today in this video, I'm going to talk to you entirely on how you'll be going to open your international monetized TikTok. So stay with me as I show you on how to open TikTok, the international TikTok account. And don't forget that at the end of the video, you make sure you watch until the end. At the end of the video, I will show you how to prevent your TikTok, the international TikTok account from being blocked or banned. You get? Yeah, so you need to watch from the start to the end. The end is a bonus. Don't just rush, because you will go and rush and open your TikTok account, but you will not get it. You won't if you will not watch until the end. So stay with me. Let's go to the other side of the screen as I show you. And if you find value in such a video, my besties, consider hitting that red button. You get it? Yes, if you find value. And definitely I'm going to be giving you value in this channel. Practical value. I'm going to show you. First, you'll open a new Gmail account. Make sure you have opened a new Gmail account. Don't use the Gmail that you opened sometimes back but you have never used it. We're going to open a new one right away. Go to your Gmail. Add on top there. You add another account. Google. You create a new one. We are creating a new account. You choose personal, my personal use. Name. Atieno Sam. Just like that. Next. Any. Just use any that you remember. Date of birth. Month the same. Year the same. Year. Gender, choose your gender. Next. We'll just use the first one, or you'll create yours. Password, you put any. You put any that you'll remember. Okay. Excuse me, sorry. You go next. You agree. You go back to TikTok. You verify. You sign up. You go to add account, then sign up. You change here down from the country that you are in to the one that you want. It is changed. Then you continue with Google. You choose the recent account that you added. You put in your birth, your birthday and month and year. Then let's check if it is real. If it is real, a UK account. Setting and privacy. Account information. It is United Kingdom, as you can see. When you get to monetization, you'll go to monetization on top, TikTok Studio, and go to monetization. You'll see those features. There is TikTok Shop for sellers. There is Creator Reward Program, Creator Marketplace, and the main one is Creator Reward Program here. This one is the main, the one that people are looking for. Yeah, people are looking for the Creator Reward Program. Collect reward for your 1 minute plus video. More reward for quality content. Monetize with other top creators. Okay guys, you have seen we have just opened an international TikTok account. It is as simple as that. You can go and try to open. So the last bonus that I needed to tell you, make sure that you have watched until the end. Make sure you have not saved your password to your Google. Yeah, don't save your password to your Google. The moment you save your password to your Google, that password will be sent to Google, and your Google is in that particular country that you are in. If you go to your TikTok and sign up for that new international TikTok account, it will take you back to that country. When you go back to see if your TikTok account is for the other country, the United Kingdom, the wherever, monetized country, you will find that it is back to your country. So make sure you have not saved your Google, that Gmail password to your Google. Just put a very simple password that you'll remember. Yeah, and don't put your normal password that you always use. That normal password you have already saved there. Just use a different password, completely different, but remember to master. If you find value in this video, and if you have watched until this far, kudos. And if you find value in such a video, kindly subscribe, hit the red button, put a thumbs up. This is value, my dear. It is a value. Yeah, just open a TikTok account and don't forget to subscribe and hit us thumbs up so that people can also get to find this video. You know what? We need to share this video so that people can get to find it. And I've explained it in a very layman's language how you can just use, and people are earning through such international TikTok account. Don't struggle to open the TikTok in your current country, this third world country. You are just struggling for nothing. And when you open that TikTok account, maybe you are so creative, you are so very creative, your content is so inspiring, and you get millions and thousands of views, but you are not being paid for it. I'm telling you, no. We are going to go and open that international TikTok account so that you can start earning with your international TikTok account.